Welcome to Mbombela Fanatics, and I'm your host Limpo Mohale. Today I'm in Mbombela Stadium to witness the Petrol Premiership between TS Galaxy and Mamelodi Sundowns. A game as of two just concluded the scoreline of 3-2. Nyelong namsheke. Msheke the shekes. Sheke. Pakani. Hayi kambe ngendlela yakhona kuminye kominyeka.
25,
Yeah.
26,
Sure.
the season.
Yeah.
Orlando Pirates,
Yeah.
champ of champions.
Yeah.
Nobatshalile.
Sure.
Ngathi ngishaya kuqanda.
Yeah.
Ngishaya kuqanda.
Iqanda.
Let's go up.
Sure.
Asambenza Saturday.
Pakani.
Sophakamisa.
Pakani.
Akusekhona ukuthi lokho.
Sure, Pakani. Pakani una-2 emagame lasele lapho-ke usele ne-Durban City leyo bambana nayo home lapho-ke bese une-Orbit College le-away lapho-ke nduna yami. Uthini Msheke lama-game lawo-ke, do you believe you can obtain maximum points uhambe uyowina i-league nga-71 points? Le kuyinto lo igcine kutsala kuyiwina, i-league igcine kutsala Msheke kuyiwina.
Igcine kutsala kakhulu league
Sure,
kuwina.
sure.
Nginamandla njalo.
Yeah,
Itabene ngosha 3.
sure.
I-Orbit ngishaye 1.
Sure Msheke.
I-Orbit ifuna itele embombela.
Sure Msheke.
Angathi ukuthi indiza izobe kuphi.
Yeah.
Angathi indiza idoba kuphi.
Yeah.
Izobe semoyeni yokuphi indiza.
Yile.
Isondawusi sifile.
Eh.
Isondawusi buleyo nam.
Yeah.
Hamba Pakani hamba.
Sure.
Washo njalo sikhumbula usenzame yiyo.
Sure.
Ayisekho nje singayisho siyafinalize. Everything is finalized. 25 26 Orlando Pirates champ of champions.
Msheke. Lesikhathi coach Ezra Batuwa afika lana kuqembu le-Orlando Pirates, there were a lot of critics, there were a lot of doubts within him. Namvumela wasayina ama-player bekasolo achutha ngendlela namthembelela. Yini le ningasho ukuthanza kuyisho ku-coach Ezra Batuwa? So sesedudwa live lesethembiso senilibuka ngamehlo lasona. Msheke nithini ku-coach Ezra Batuwa nabalandeli be-Orlando Pirates?
Coach Mlingane akasekafiki la sifuna afike khona.
Sure.
Coach kukhona la kusafuneka aye khona akasekafiki.
Sure.
Kodwa siyambongisa ulokenzile with this because sigcine kudala thina thatha le title. So sijabule kakhulu usijabulisile coach, siyambonga uwadu olokwenzile. Ayikho nje singayisho sijabule kakhulu. Sithi Orlando Pirates always bonke abantu ababuya Saturday so celebrate Orlando le arena Saturday siya celebrate asamele cup le Orbit siya celebrate arena.
Mbonga kakhulu Msheke bathi once and always
Pakani #asinavalo.
Thank you.